got here already. Day 7 recap. And reminder for me, just as much for you, the principles I'm following: intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise. So in the last 24 hours, I've managed to do another 20-hour fast. So I'm really happy with progress this week. So 20 hours, this is where the magic's starting to happen in the body. It's gone into deep fat burning mode, so the body is using stored fat for energy instead of sugars. The autophagy again has kicked in, so that's the cellular cleanup process where old damaged cells are broken down and replaced with even healthier ones. Insulin levels dropped even further, which is a huge bonus for someone like me, as I am insulin resistant. And I'm also getting a really natural rise in GLP-1, which is the hormone that helps to control appetite and blood sugar. So no injections needed. I'm not looking at prescribed medications. I'm trying to do this naturally, and this is proven that that is what's working. And the additional bonus, I feel sharper, I feel more focused, I'm more energized, a lot more energized than I did at the start of the week. And this is why I'm sticking with the fasting and the keto. It's simple, it's natural, and it works. Another 7,000 steps in the bag. I'm surprised it's not more, because it feels like my feet have not stopped moving all day. Shopping, shopping, shopping. Still going ahead with the rebounding though, and managed to fit that in first thing this morning. Boop, boop. Drinks today: 1 black coffee and 2.5 litres of water. That's what I drink. As I've been out for most of today, I decided to just go for a super quick, super easy meal. So made tofu stir fry, which is at the side there. Doubled the portion so that I could have it as 2 meals. One, the 20-hour break, and then a few hours later, just to kind of see me through. And then my obligatory Greek yogurt with small bits of dark chocolate chops and some peanut butter, a teaspoon of peanut butter with that, and some nuts. Still feeling amazing. I feel amazing. Day 7 summary: 20 hours fast, 7,000 steps, 5 minutes rebounding, much less than 50 grams of net carbs consumed today. And if you're curious about how fasting and keto can work for you in your 40s and your 50s, hit subscribe, follow along. I'm showing you exactly what happens day by day.